Hey there. If you're a car owner, then you know that changing your car's oil is one of the most important maintenance tasks. But did you know there are common mistakes that can really mess things up? Let's dive into the top oil change mistakes you must avoid. First up, using the wrong type of oil. Your car's engine is designed to work with a specific oil viscosity and type, whether that's synthetic or conventional. Using the incorrect oil can lead to poor lubrication and even engine damage. So always check your owner's manual for the right oil type before starting any work. It's a small step that can save you a lot of trouble down the road. Next, let's talk about oil levels. Adding too much or too little oil can seriously affect your engine's performance. Overfilling can cause excessive pressure and leaks, while underfilling can lead to poor lubrication and overheating. Use the dipstick to check the oil level and make sure it's just right. It's a quick check that can prevent major issues. Oil filter issues are another biggie. Not properly tightening the oil filter or forgetting to lubricate the gasket can result in leaks. A simple trick: apply a thin layer of oil to the gasket before installing the filter. This ensures a better seal and makes future removal easier. This helps it seal better and makes it easier to remove next time. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. Speaking of oil filters, don't skimp on changing them. The oil filter should be replaced with every oil change to keep your engine running smoothly. A clogged filter can restrict oil flow and reduce your engine's efficiency. It's a small part, but it plays a big role. Over-tightening the drain plug is another mistake to avoid. It might seem like a good idea to make sure it's snug, but using too much torque can strip the threads and lead to leaks. Use a torque wrench and follow the manufacturer's specifications for the proper tightness. This ensures a secure fit without causing damage. Last but not least, follow the recommended oil change schedule. Ignoring the intervals based on mileage or time can lead to engine wear and tear. Even if you don't drive much, oil can degrade over time. It's not just about miles, it's also about months. So stick to the guidelines in your owner's manual. It's the best way to ensure your engine stays in top shape. And there you have it. Avoid these common oil change mistakes to keep your engine purring like a kitten. Your car will thank you for it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. We've got plenty more to share. Thanks for watching and happy driving. Keep those engines running smoothly.